Something in the way. Ooh. All right, hello everybody. Hello team. Hello ABOB. How are you guys? I'm still holding this short in the Euro US dollar myself. Yeah, I am still holding it. The euro remains weak after the ECB press conference and everything. Here's that trade around break even. If we break with these highs, I'll close 75% off at a small loss. Just managing it, right? I might not have the time to do it because of how quick the market or the volatility is at the market open. You know what? I'll just leave it. Trust the process. All right, so we good? Good morning, Ice Dog. Woo. Ah. Damn it! I just realized that I don't have any more coffee, and I drink, instant coffee. So just realized I'm out. So yeah. All right, pull up the DXY. Yeah, sure, mate. Here's that. My zone of interest on the DXY, this imbalance right here. Here's that order block. We have a breaker too here. Pretty interesting zone all around, right on the U.S. dollar. Let's see if it holds or not. Pretty mixed data out of the U.S. too, so we are 10 minutes away until the market opens. If you look at all right, so hold on. All right, so I do have a big promotion. A big promotion this month. I'm going to raffle. You need more swing trades, mate. Swing trades don't come very often. You need to be patient because that's the interesting thing about swing trading, and about this S&P 500 running at 648 pips. I might close the rest here because I can't hold. This is the account, the challenge account, so I can't hold, trades over the weekend. And look at this 1 hour candle. So I'm going to close the rest of it here for a good old 606, I don't know, read that, 662 pips. So closing that S&P 500, boom. Let me just go ahead. So I need to hit 6%. This is a two-phase challenge. I need to hit a 6% right now, and I guess I go to the phase 2 of the challenge. I don't fucking know. All right, so that's a good swing trade. I'm still short Euro USD, as you can see here. That's a pretty good short. There you go. There you go. The DXY is bouncing off my interest point of interest. We seem to be good. So very good, very big question. I have a big promotion, mates. I mean, and this is for only for people that subscribe this month to my VIP group. One of you is going to get a one-to-one, 1 hour coaching session with me for free. That's right. And you can ask me anything. I can teach you this fucking thing, anything at all. I'm sorry, this is just for people that subscribe this month. I'm going to raffle it live on Instagram and here, fucking YouTube too. So yeah, I can't tell you what prop firm I'm using because we can't advertise or promote or other trading brands, mate. I'm sorry, but if you're looking for prop firms, I mean, just look for the ones that give you money, that actually give you a live account when you're funded. Hi, Rami, how are you, mates? So if you want to be part of the raffle, of the fucking raffle, all you need to do is subscribe. You need to fucking subscribe. You need to fucking subscribe. Team, you're probably gonna get one for free at some time, man. You've been with me for a long time, so don't worry about that. Yeah, for sure, mate. For sure. Don't worry, man. You will get it sometime in the future. Old school team Senate. Yeah, he's an OG here. I take care of my OGs. All right, so there you go. Pumping, jack pumping. I'm going to take 75% off at 1R, somewhere in between. If I get there, right? Now, S&P 500s, and here's what I'm looking at on the S&P 500. We got that last sweep of the lows right here. Boom, boom. There's a failure to, this is kind of an ICT silver bullet trade. If you know ICT, you know that I trade ICT concept. I just make my, I took his concepts and made them, I made my own entry model, right? But I didn't invent the fucking wheel. So here's a pretty cool thing, right? We have that last sweep of the lows, market structure shift right here. Of course, that we have the failure to break with the London session lows, and we do have a big ass imbalance here. So my point of interest in this would be something like this. But of course, that I'm going to use that breaker. We do have a breaker, big breaker. All of this zone, I'm going to take this zone entirely as my breaker. So my entry would be somewhere around the midpoint of that imbalance. Woody, something like here. Let's wait and see what happens, right? Yeah. That's also the reason that I closed my S&P 500 longs, because there was something in the way. Good. Now, let me record some fucking content for my Instagram. Right there. Right fucking there. Before anything goes south, right? No, I'm just fucking with you. I'll probably take some off very soon, but we need to to create some content, Now everybody needs to be a fucking content creator nowadays. But it's cool, man. All right, guys, so the VIPs are banking again today. The DXY, the US dollar currency index, bouncing from my point of interest. I am short on the Euro US dollar on that bounce. Here's that actual trade. Short on the Euro US dollar. Everybody missed it but my VIPs. That's right, motherfuckers. All right, cool. So I'm gonna leave this alone. This reversal on the DXY looks awesome. You know, I'm not gonna move my stop losses to break even anytime soon. Ah, my allergies are fucking acting up. All right, cool beans. All right. S&P also has a gap fill at the 41.87 level. Longs are definitely the play. Yep, I saw that too, mate. On your account, how much do you generally risk per trade? I risk between 0.25 and 0.30% per trade, mate. Not more, not less. That's my risk profile. All right. I'm gonna send this later. All right, cool. So the casino is about to open in less than 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Yeah. All of this. So this will be something like an ICT silver bullet right on the S&P 500. What are we fucking taking? Long midpoint imbalance. I don't like placing my stop losses below the point of interest, so I'm gonna place it below the lows, targeting these highs. I'm not very convinced about this. Let's go to the higher time frames, mates, and let's see if we have a point of interest at these lows, because I mean, look at how super strong this market is to the downside. I need to be trading at a confluence. If not, this is all kinds of fucked. Yeah, there's no confluence at all here. Well, maybe. Let's see. Something in the way. All of this. Let's see. Whoa, goddamn. And I said, goddamn that Bible pushing man. Well, mates, looks like this is, I'm not gonna take it though, but looks like this is a winner chicken dinner. I shall not take it. This is looking very good on the EURUSD side. Needs to be patient. We need to be patient. So the casino just opened. The casino just opened, mates, and there you go. 5-minute chart, boom. Here's that S&P 500 long. I'm going to place it now that the casino has opened. Oh boy. The US dollar is crashing. I am going to close this at break even, mates. All right. Boom. I hate it too, but that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. The US dollar is looking very weak. So I close it for a small profit, and I am going to go ahead and place that S&P 500 if I haven't missed it just yet. On the 5-minute chart, I'm going to go mid imbalance. There you go. So to calculate your mid imbalance, just go here from this point, from this week to this week right here. So that's your entry point. All right. Shit. Hold on. Right, so that's how you do. I mean, you have to take care of the number one rule here is follow your rules, right? Follow your fucking rules, follow the system, follow everything. Do not deviate, have discipline. And that, my friends, is how you make money long term. Don't focus on the outcome of one single trade. That'll fuck you up. Completely and utterly fuck your consistency up. So I'm going to place my targets all the way here. So that's a nice 5R. So because I have a 5R, if I place my stop losses here, now I have a 3.5R, which is fine by me. Oh, fuck. For fuck's sakes. For fuck's sakes. It's 3.4R, it's fine by me. Boom. 3.6R, enter. Boom, there you go. So if you know me, you know that I like fucking round numbers. I have OCD with that. I'm gonna send this to my VIPs, mates. You want to have a look at that EURUSD? Yep. This is looking very weak. So the reason that, I mean, I have a ton of rules, mates. And one of the rules is I trade two currencies, the US dollar and the Japanese yen. One rule, so this was a US dollar driven trade, and this, my friend, is a very, very weak. When I see any kinds of weakness on the markets that I'm trading, if I'm trading long, of course, this short on the euro US dollar is a US dollar long. I just give up, and it doesn't matter if price reverses from here and hits my TP. You need to follow your fucking rules. Let me just go ahead and send this to my VIPs. Something in the way. Buy limit S&P 500. Stop loss. And it's always good to take a little bit of profit, right? So I took about $5 just to make it a green trade for the statistics, you know. It's always good. So my risk is 0.25 again, raise 0.25%. I know that my risk, I mean, why would you risk so little if it's a funded challenge? Because it's all about trading psychology, right? In the sense that if I were to think about this as I need to get my funded account very quickly. So I'm going to risk 1 to 2% per trade. And then I'm going to come back to my original risk of 0.25. That doesn't work for me. I mean, that's not being a trader. I mean, I don't care if I get funded in 2 months. I am going to trade this account as if I were trading my assets under management account, right? Something in, all right, so this is doomed. No longer a viable trade for me. Boom, boom. GBP USD though, nope. Yeah, just this S&P 500 is looking good. Yep, 3.5R. Something in, why is it at 3.5R? I reckon I'm targeting these highs. Yeah, that's fine. So, we need that silver bullet. I mean, I think, I don't know, I don't trade ICT silver bullets, but, you know, oh boy, we are about to see that Euro USD going around. But you know what? I just hated price action, and that's because my stop losses are so tight, right? This is only 11 pip stop loss, right? Because my stop losses are so tight, that I'm not going to be because I'm doing a live show with you, I'm not going to be able to quickly close 75% off if the Euro USD breaks with my point of interest. But that's it. I'm not going to come back to this. Boom. Any questions, guys? If you don't have any questions, I'm going to start logging out. Gold. So I was looking for shorts in gold again. Been hunting gold shorts, and this looks phenomenal, actually. I'm going to place that. Something at this breaker right here. Here's where I'll place my gold shorts. This is going to be for my VIPs only. Uh, uh, uh. Very good. So 87 pips away. Now this is what I call music. All right, so I'll place it. Yeah, this breaker. I'm not gonna give it a full. I mean, also you can see that we do have that last liquidity shift. You know, a full market structure shift right here. Full traps. Everything is good. So I'm gonna place this gold long, short. I'm sorry. Something. Remember that. 1 hour coaching session with me if you subscribe to me. Orlando, US 500 is a CFD. Can you pull up the chart so we get the correct entry point? I mean, mate, just have a look at this imbalance on your chart and look for the middle point of it. I can't accommodate you. I'm sorry, mate. I need to place that gold. Gold. Where are you, gold? I don't know. Look at this. This broker, Osprey, and I've never heard of it, but it's the broker that this. If you wanna, I mean, if you wanna know what this, you know, this funding firm is, it's not Osprey, but just look for the for a funding account that uses this broker. A funding firm. It's not the broker per se because this broker also offers funding accounts, but yeah, that's all I can tell you. So I do have this, the pro and the non-pro. I don't fucking know. I'll guess I'll just Euro USD. I'm gonna place this here, right here. 1888, 85 or so shorts on gold. 0.25. Oh boy. 0.25. God damn it. 0.25. No way. Yep. Here. I have a 5R trade in gold. Very good, 75 here. Boom. Now, let me send this to my VIPs. It's not that one, Ice Dog. It's not that one. Nasdaq is looking good as well. Yeah, I'd rather trade the S&P 500, man, than the Nasdaq. So gold. I'm gonna send this signal. New VIP trade, right? Sell limit. Oh boy, hold on. Sell limit here. Stop loss here. So that's a 5R. TP here. So that is a 5R, as we already said, and my risk is 0.25%. Okay, so I have no open trades. I have no open trades at the moment. It's not Clarity Traders, man. That much I can tell you. All right, boom. Let's look. So, I do have this. I'm gonna change them to green because I have pending orders on both of them. Now, I'm for all swing traders VIP. I'm deleting my Ethereum. You know, buy limits. This was a trade idea. I mean, I'm gonna delete this because if we get that pullback from the highs here, then that's going to be a fucking reversal, mates. And that Makes absolutely no sense. Makes absolutely no fucking sense. All right, can I pay by PayPal, bro? I want 1 month to pay for Forex. Email support, I think so. I don't see why not. Yeah, I think so. Just email support, mate. Email fucking support. All right. Let's have a look at the pound USD. No, Euro USD. Um, yeah, choppy, 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 choppy. Bitcoin US 30. Um, Again, same thing, right? On the US 30. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Something that wasn't a great. If this wasn't a great trade, then you're fucking insane. All right, let's remove the drawings here. Same thing, ICTs. Oh, well, look at the NASDAQ, my friends. The NASDAQ hit that entry zone. What? The NASDAQ would have hit it. Let's see. Yeah. No, it wouldn't have hit it. You know what? I'm still looking for that S&P 500. That's fine. US dollar, Japanese yen. And have a look at the US dollar. The US dollar, I mean, when I tell you that I follow my rules, it's because I don't care about the outcome of a single trade. Even if I'm on a trade, I don't give a fuck about how much money I'm making or I'm losing. I just follow my rules. Now, look at this weakness and look at that Euro USD about to break with the highs. I mean, if it doesn't make sense to you, just don't fucking follow my trades, right? But, I mean, that's what I do. Aussie USD. Yeah, there's nothing much going on. So S&P 500. S&P 500 still within that range. I'm digging the shit out of this, this setup. All right. So any questions, guys? Any markets that you want me to look at or whatever? I'm not from Long Island. I just like making that accent. Whatever. Yeah, let's just wait. Now I can't. I can't wait for the weekend to begin. Yes. I mean, the mixed data. The US dollar had mixed data today. Why don't we go through that, mates? We have, GDP quarter over quarter that beat expectations at a 4.9% rise versus 2.1% and a highly beat in expected numbers. But unemployment claims missed expectations by a ton. It was expected that we will have higher than last month's unemployment claims, right? But we had even higher than expected. So that is very mixed out of the U.S. And yeah, I mean, that was a good thing for me because that created that pullback seas that I was looking for. Now this doesn't work anymore. Remove drawings. Yeah, we might look for longs a little bit lower. I don't know. But we came down towards my entry point. But yeah, gold sees. All right, I'm gonna record the videos for my VIPs. US 30, sure, mate. Hold on. All right. Hola, ¿qué tal? Mire, puede hacer cafecito, pero del otro porque ya no hay listo. No. Sorry, mates. Housekeeper. Just asking for some coffee. Yeah. I want to record the video. Hold on. What was it? Gold. All right, traders. So why don't we have a good look at gold, the DXY. So, yeah, good look at gold. Gold created that market structure shift that I'm always looking for right here. There's a ton of liquidity here, and I'm going to use this breaker as a possible entry short right here above that liquidity. Stop losses above the London session highs, and I'm going to target this liquidity lows. That's a clean 5R, 4.5 to 5R. I don't know. For us. You know what? I'm going to send it as a free signal too because I'm feeling generous today. Protect your equity. That's my number one rule. Protect your equity. S&P 500. Ah, there you go. I can't wait for the weekend to begin. I hate that song actually. The people that can't wait for the weekend to begin are just fucking morons. They live for the weekends and they hate their fucking lives. I'm gonna change the tune in my head. I don't know why, because I didn't listen to it any time. I don't know why I'm singing it. All right, so that was sent as a free trade. Let's look at the S&P 500, and yeah, imbalance. There. All right, cool beans. I'm gonna record the video for the S&P 500 too. All right, traders, how are you? This is my entry short, long. I'm sorry, on the S&P 500. Now, this gray zone right here is a high time frame point of interest. And if price weren't hitting a high time frame point of interest, I would most definitely would not be taking longs on the S&P 500, given the fact that this market is super strong on the short side. But since it is, I looked at this market structure shift created by the S&P 500 with this big ass imbalance involved. I am going to use this breaker as my entry point. So basically, my entry point is at the midpoint of that imbalance. Yeah, price is about to hit that entry, targeting, my friends, this liquidity highs for a cool one. All right. All right. Let's see about that S&P 500. I mean, I have to trust my entry model, maybe. Yeah. Looks like Nasdaq hit the price target. I mean, let's have a look. Yeah, I'm gonna trust my entry model here. Nasdaq. Let's have a look. US 100. No, not at all. Nasdaq is cleaning that zone, so yeah. I mean, when it comes to U.S. equities, my preferred market is the S&P 500. It's the less volatile than. It's the less volatile, but I also do trade the US 30. I don't know where it is here, but somewhere right there might be the S&P. All right, if I don't get filled long on the S&P 500, I'm gonna be fucking mad at me because I should have taken the midpoint of the breaker in hindsight. But you know what? That's fine. the trade was planned, and I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna plan. I'm gonna trade the plan. So that's good. That's good. Hola, Bimba. Hola, Bimba. You're a good girl. Oh, you're a good girl. Yeah, I possibly won't get filled here. Shit. Now, yeah, just look at the midpoint of that breaker. This should have been my entry. Should have, woulda, coulda. Who the fuck knows, right? Um, yeah, S&P very close. So let's just wait this one out. If I don't get filled, I don't get filled. That's fine. Let's quick look at some. Yeah, that's fucking sucks. I'm gonna delete my drawings here. All right, guys. So no more questions. Been live for about 35 minutes, so I'm gonna log out. Remember that I am smelling like a rose that somebody gave me because I'm dead and bloated. Now, I'm raffling a 1 hour coaching session with me, mates. That's a 1 hour coaching session with me for all the traders that subscribe this month to my VIP group. S&P 500 very close to that entry point. And if you wanna participate in that raffle, all you need to do is subscribe to my VIP group. JG. Yeah, hopefully I'll get filled. Let's see if I'm risking 0.25%. Yeah. So if you want to if you want that 1 hour one-on-one trading session, just subscribe here. It's well worth it because I don't do coaching sessions, but my hourly is around $250. So that's the price. God damn it. For fuck's sakes. That is about a 6 pip miss on an entry. Nah, but that's fine. You plan the trade and you trade the fucking plan. So thank you for joining me, guys. Oh, god damn it. This happens. This happens whenever you try to, not try, when your entry model like mine is sniping entries. Sometimes price is going to miss your entry by a few pips, and you have to live with that. You have to fucking live with that. I'm not deleting my entry just yet. If price breaks with the pre-market session highs or the open session highs, then I'm deleting my pending order, and I will have missed the trade. But you can use stop orders to get in your trades, but why would you want to use stop orders? That stop orders are for rookies. I don't know about the US30, mate. I could give a fuck also about the US30. My focus is on the S&P 500 at the moment. Be a real trader. Focus on one market and one market only. Don't try to scale up your trading by taking a ton of trades and looking at a ton of different charts. You're never going to be profitable by doing that. I overlooked at all the U.S. markets and I chose the S&P 500. I'm sticking with it. If I miss this trade, then I'm not trading today the U.S. equities, right? That's how I do things. But Gabriel, you're more than welcome to look at it yourself. All right, cheers, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.